Hello and welcome back to Simplimath. I'm Reshu, your maths teacher. I have a bachelor's and a master's degree in mathematics, and here I'm helping you cover every concept, every example, every question from every exercise. So when you subscribe to the channel, you get access to all this knowledge, which will help you prepare for your exams better. In this video, we are covering example 8, and examples 8 says the ratio of incomes of two persons is 9 is to 7 and the ratio of the expenditure is 4 is to 3. If each of them manages to save 2000 rupees per month, find their monthly incomes. Now we know that the incomes of the two people are in the ratio of 9 is to 7. So we can also say that the incomes are 9x and 7x because they are in a ratio, so we can multiply the same amount on both the sides, still the ratio would be same. So let the income of two persons be 9x and 7x. Right now the expenditures are in the ratio of 4 is to 3, so I can say that the expenditures are 4y and 3y. Why? Because if we multiply y on both the sides of the ratio, we still get the same ratio. So let the expenditures be 4y and 3y. So let the two people be A and B. So the incomes are 9x and 7x. The expenditures are 4y and 3y. Now we are given that the savings are, what are the savings? They each save 2000 rupees per month. So the savings are 2000 rupees and 2000 rupees for both of them, right? Now we need to understand one thing, that whatever we spend is the expenditure, whatever we spend plus whatever we save is equal to our total income, right? So the income can be divided into expenditure and savings, right? So I can say that savings is equal to income minus expenditure, right? This is one thing. Now we have to form our equations. How are we going to form the equations? For the first person, for the person A, I can say that income minus expenditure is equal to savings. So I can say 9x minus 4y is equals to 2000. So this is our equation number 1. And for person B, I can say income minus expenditure equal to saving. So 7x minus 3y equals to 2000. So this is our equation number 2. Now let us try to solve both of these equations by the method of elimination. We will understand the method of elimination simultaneously, and we will solve both of these equations, and hence we will find their monthly incomes. That is, we will find the value of 9x and 7x. Now step 1 of the elimination method says to multiply both the equation by a suitable non-zero constant to make the coefficients of any one variable, be it x or y, numerically equal. So what we are going to do is we will try to make either the coefficient of x in both the equations same or the coefficient of y in both the equations to be same. So now if we note one thing, that if we multiply the first equation by 3, this becomes minus 12, and if we multiply equation 2 by 4, this becomes minus 12. So if we multiply equation 1 by 3 and equation 2 by 4, we get the coefficient of the variable y to be same. So now let us proceed with step 1. We multiply equation 1 by 3 and equation 2 by 4, right? So we have 27x minus 12y equals to 6000, and equation 2 can be written as 28x minus 12y equals to 8,000. Let these be equation 3 and equation number 4. Now step 2 of the elimination method says to add or subtract one equation from the other so that one variable gets eliminated. Solve the equation in one variable so obtain to get the value. Now if we note one thing, that the coefficient of y in both equations, equation 3 and equation 4, is same. So what do we have to do so that the variable y gets eliminated? We subtract. So step 2 is subtract equation 3 from equation number 4. So we have 28x minus 12y minus 27x minus 12y equals to 8,000 minus 6,000, right? So if we solve this, we have 28x minus 27y minus 12y plus 12y equals to 2000. So this gets cancelled, so we have x is equals to 2000. So we have gotten the value of x. Coming to step 3 of the elimination method, it says to substitute the value of x or y obtained in step 2 in either of the original equation to get the value of other variable. So in step 2 we have gotten the value of x. So in step 3 what are we going to do? We are going to substitute the value of x in either equation 1 or equation 2. So now let us put the value of x in equation number 1, right? So we have 9x minus 4y is equals to 2000. So if we put the value of x, we have 9 into 2000 minus 4y equals to 2000, right? So this can be written as 18,000 minus 4y equals to 2000. So if we take 2000 to this side and 4y to this side, we have 16,000 equals to 4y and y is equals to 4,000. So here we have gotten the value of x and the value of y. So the solution of the given pair of linear equation, equation 1 and equation 2, is x is equals to 2000 and y is equals to 4,000. Now we have to find the monthly income. Now the monthly income of the two persons is 9x and 7x. Now we have the value of x. So we can say that the income of the two people are 9x and 7x. That means they are 9 into 2000 and 7 into 2000. That means the incomes are 18,000 rupees and 14,000 rupees, right? Now in case we have to verify the solution, how can we verify? Now these are the income, these are the expenditure, and we have already found the value of x and y. So the incomes, we have already found out that the incomes are 18,000 rupees and 14,000 rupees. So if we take the ratio of these two, what do we get? We get 9 is to 7, which we are already given that the ratio of the incomes is 9 is to 7. Now what are the expenditure? Expenditures are 18,000 rupees, the income, minus the savings. And what is the expenditure for the second person? It would be the income is 14,000 minus the savings is 2,000 for every person. Now if we take the ratio of both of these, we get 16,000 is to 12,000. So this is 4 is to 3, and we are already given that the ratio of the expenditure of both the persons is 4 is to 3. So basically we have verified our solution over here. So this is how you have to proceed with such questions. If you have any queries, leave them down in the comment section below, and if you like the video, subscribe to the channel and share the video with your friends.